My Diva is having internet problems, and it shows me that in the app. Hi, my name is Diana, and welcome to the world of Diva. Today I will show you how you can fix this problem. You need to take your Diva and take your included safety pin and gently press on the buttonhole. Diva then activates Bluetooth, and then you can restart and choose new network in your app, but be sure to also turn on the Bluetooth on your phone. Then you need to go in your Diva app, click on the home screen, and you will see which Diva actually has a problem. We can see that it's table 1. We swipe left and we can see the edit icon with the gray background. Click here, change Wi-Fi, and here you can select a new network. Now we can see in our Diva app that everything is looking good, but what to do if nothing changes? Perhaps you should think if your Diva is close enough to your router. If not, you can buy another additional router, because the bigger the distance, the worse is the Wi-Fi. However, if you cannot avoid a large distance between your Diva and the router, perhaps you should think about buying a new repeater, which can amplify the current Wi-Fi signal. And with that, you can increase the range. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.